Welcome to Motfoot English.
Oxford Vocabulary. Habit, habit, a regular practice or behavior that is hard to stop. Hair, hair, the strands that grow from the skin, especially on the head. Half, half, one of two equal parts of something. Hall, hall, a large room or passage inside a building. Hand, hand, the body part at the end of the arm, or to give something to someone. Handle, handle, to manage or deal with something, or the part used to hold an object. Hang, hang, to suspend something from a height. Happen, happen, to take place or occur. Happy, happy, feeling pleasure or contentment. Hard, hard, solid, firm, or requiring effort. Hate, hate, to feel strong dislike or animosity towards something or someone. Have, to possess, own, or hold something. He, a pronoun used to refer to a male person. Head, head, the upper part of the body containing the brain, or to lead or direct. Health, health, the state of physical and mental well-being. Hear, to perceive sound with the ears. Heart, heart, the organ that pumps blood through the body, or the center of emotion. Heat, heat, the quality of being hot, or a source of warmth. Heavy, heavy, of great weight or intensity. Help, help, to assist or aid someone in doing something. Her, a pronoun used to refer to a female person. Here, in, at, or to this place. High, high, at a great height or level. Hill, a raised area of land, smaller than a mountain. History, the study of past events, particularly in human affairs. Hit, to strike or knock something or someone. Hold, to grasp, carry, or support something. Home, the place where someone lives or feels comfortable. Hope, to wish or desire for a particular outcome. Horse, a large animal that people ride or use for work. Hospital, a place where sick or injured people receive medical care. Hot, having a high temperature or being spicy. Hotel, a place where people stay when traveling. Hour, a unit of time equal to 60 minutes. House, a building where people live. How, in what way or manner. Huge, extremely large or enormous. Human, relating to or characteristic of people. Hundred, the number equal to 100. Husband, a married man in relation to his spouse.